Good evening, friends. Could you please confirm? Am I audible? Yes, is my voice is clear? Please confirm so that we will start the session. Requesting everyone to respond. Yes, sir. Sir, in the last video, we covered up to LBP number 80. Okay. Now we have to talk about LBP number 81. Sir, what is this program? Have you observed here? The title itself is giving the clarity. Even length words. Sir, here we have to read a sentence from the user. We need to read a sentence from the user. From that sentence, we have to print the strings which are having even length. Okay, that means if that word contains even length characters, we have to print such a type of strings. So if the string contains odd length word, we have to skip that. Okay, sir, what is the logic for this? First, we have to read a string from the user. Next, what is your operation? Sir, we have to fetch not character by character. We have to fetch word by word. Okay, and sir, check length of the word. Okay, we have to check length of word. Suppose if length is even, if length is even, so print that word. That's all. Beyond that, nothing they are asking. Suppose if you observe any one of the sample test case. Okay, 1 minute, just have a look once. Oh, it's not having the list. 1 minute, 1 minute. I updated the notes. Okay, no problem. Today I will update. Yes, 81, right? So have a look once. Okay, suppose if a hello world Java is given as an input. Okay, sir, in this, what is the length of hello? 3, 4, 5 characters are there. Sir, what is the length of world? Have you observed? Sir, 5 characters are there. What is the length of Java, sir? 4. So your output should be Java because it contains even length words. This is nothing but the program that we have to discuss. Sir, I think the logic is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this logic, friends? I am requesting every student to please respond. Do you have any doubts in this logic? Please confirm. What happened to remaining people? Yes. Now, let me implement this program in C language. Let me implement this program in C language. Sir, I am going for C language implementation. Okay. Sir, how to implement in C language? So we have to go with the tokenization concept. We have to fetch the tokens one by one. Sir, I am taking character S of 100, comma star P I am taking a pointer variable. Then, sir, scanf percentage cap of slash n. That means even if you are getting spaces, please ignore the spaces and then continue. Like this I am taking. Sir, pointer is equal to str2k of s comma based on space. I am dividing the entire string. Based on space, I am dividing entire string. While the value of a pointer is not equal to null, till that we have to extract the characters. Okay, so if that pointer which is pointing is itself is a string, if it is divisible by 2, that means what? That length is divisible by 2 means that a pointer, that particular word contain, sir, even length characters. Now I am going to print such a type of strings on the output. So to get next token str2k of, you have to replace null when you find the last space. Okay, when you are getting the last space, I want to replace with null. Till that, I want to iterate the program. Let us run the code. You can see here both the test cases are passed successfully, and submit the code for final approval. Yes, you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. But I want to implement the same program in Java. I want to implement the same program in Java. Sir, just have a look once how you can able to implement in Java. So I'm going to declare a scanner class. A scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. So we have to read a array of strings from the user, sir. Like obj dot next line, I want to split, so that what will happen based on space, split operation is going to be performed, and it will return the list of strings. Now I'm going to write a for each loop. Boss, for each string in yes. Okay, so check whether your length of the string is divisible by 2 or not. If yes, system.out.print of yes followed by some space. So because it is a for each loop, it will retrieve all the strings, sir. It will retrieve all the strings. So once if any string contains even length words, it will print that string. 1 minute. Split, it is expecting some delimiter. Okay, perfect, sir. And submit the code. So you can see here all the test cases has been passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to solve this problem by using Python. How you can able to do this? In Python also, the scenario is the same or not? Yes. First, we are going to take a string, and if you split that string, automatically it contains the list of words. For each item in the list, if length of I, okay, percentage 2 is equal to 0 means it contains even length strings. So print and end is equal to space. That's all. It will iterate one by one and it will print, sir. Let me run the program. Yes, working properly, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see here all the test cases are passed successfully. Hope it is very clear for you people how you can go for Python implementation. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Abhimanyu, already I explained this kind of program. See here, str2k is nothing but it will divide the entire sentence whatever you have given based on space. This is nothing but first word, this is nothing but a second word, this is nothing but third word, like that. So first initially it is point outed by p. Is it equal to null? No. Then it will enter. It will find the length of this string. If it is even, it will print. Then p is equal to str2k of move pointer to the next place and replace null when you are getting last space. Sir, is it last space? No. Then p pointer is going to point to here. Again, while loop is going to run. Next time p is going to point to here. Okay, so again it is going to run. Next time p, is there any pointer here? No, last final space we got. So in such a case I am replacing null. So what will happen now? P is pointing to null. If it is not equal to run null, it will run. If it equal to null, then it will come out from this. Clear? Abhimanyu Kumar. Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, now let me go for the next program. What is the next program that we have here is LBP number 82. So change every letter to the next character. I think no need to explain. Easily you can able to recognize. Sir, we have to change every letter to the next letter. Suppose if the input is ABC, you have to get BCD like that. So plus 1 you have to add for every character. Okay, for every character we have to add plus 1. Beyond that, nothing is there. Okay, let me implement the program for this. Directly I am going for C language implementation. And some people may have a doubt. Suppose if input contains Z, what will happen? Sir, what is the note they have given? There is no Z in the test case. Be happy. Sir, there is one more program is there in future we are going to cover where Z will be there. So in such a case, what we have to do? That part again would have to iterate from A, sir. Okay. That part we will discuss later. Okay. So I think the logic is clear for you people, friends. Please confirm, is the logic is clear? Fine, sir. Now let me go for C language implementation of this program. Yes. So let me take C language implementation. Now observe carefully. Sir, I am taking character S of 100. Okay. So yes, it is sufficient, I think so. Integer I. Sir, scanf percentage yes comma I am reading the value of yes. For I is equal to 0 until s of I you got I plus plus. Sir, if you print normal character, okay, we will get s of I. S of I plus 1 means what? One ASCII value will be added for every character so that our requirement is going to be satisfied. Yes, and submit the code. Perfect, sir. This is nothing but what we have about this implementation. So let me take a Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Okay, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Okay, sir, I am going for a scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. Okay, string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. Sir, for each integer I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. One by one character it will print. So system dot out dot print of. So compulsory you have to typecast because so char at of I plus 1. Whenever you are performing addition operation, immediately your result will become okay. Your result will become integer, sir. That's why I'm going to do typecasting technique. I'm going to do typecasting technique. That's all. Now let me run the program. So it will add next ASCII value and it will be printed. Oh, something problem. See, we have to typecast this entire thing. So before adding one, we have to do that is the problem because it concatenated, I mean, it casted only character. But after adding one, we have to do. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in Java programming. Okay. So I want to go for Python implementation. I want to go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python, sir. So how to solve this? First, I am taking s is equal to input. Okay. For each I in s. Okay. While printing boss, first calculate ASCII value. Okay. So ORD of I, then add plus 1. Okay. Then add plus 1. So we will get one integer value. That integer we have to convert it into character. That's all. Then end is equal to space. So it will print every character, okay, to the next character. Okay, sir, something like, yeah, space is there. We have to end with empty, because if it is a words we can separate with spaces. Yes, you can able to see this is nothing but so all the test cases what we have, right? This implementation is called as Python implementation. Okay, hope it is very clear for you people. Okay, now, sir, is there any doubts in this program? Please confirm. Requesting everyone to respond. Any doubts? Yes, yes, Rahul. Some technique we have to use to get to the first number. Don't worry, we have that program is there. We will discuss later about that. Okay. So let me go for the next program. What is the next program? Sir, LBP number 83. First n vowels. We have to write a function that returns, sir, first n vowels of the string. We have to return first n vowels, sir. Let us see how you can able to do this. Sir, first n vowels means what? Whatever they are giving, we have to print. But please make sure that there may be some test cases. Return invalid if n exceeds the number of vowels in the string, or compulsory we have to copy the vowels, then only we have to do that. Okay, first we have to copy the vowels, then only we have to do. Sir, it is easy only. First, let me implement in C language. Let me implement in C language. Observe carefully, sir. So what is my first task is nothing but oh, more than one word is also there. So compulsory we have to read in the form of a string sentence. Sir, new string also I am taking. New string means what? Which contains only vowels. Now integer I, j, and then n. Okay. First we have to read the string. Scanf percentage yes. No. So cap of slash n. Sir, yes, we have to take. Okay, fine. Then we have to read n also. Like how many characters you have to print, that also you have to read in advance. Now, for each character, I is equal to 0 until s of I found I plus plus. Now observe, if your s of I is equal to a, that means vowels, we have to find out. Sir, a, e, okay, I, o, u. If any one of these character came, if any one of this character came, then it is the vowel, right? Sir, you have to copy that character to, okay, you have to copy that character to new string. Let us consider j initial value is nothing but 0. Sir, fine. Now you have to take an if condition, and then you have to print the new string. Okay, but they are not asking the complete string, so they need only n characters. So you have to check whether your n is smaller than strlen of new string. If it is a smaller, I mean if it is lesser value, then you can print I is equal to 0, new string of I, sorry, not new strings, are remember carefully, I less than n, whatever they have given, I plus plus. So I am printing percentage c comma new string of I. Else if it is not the case, then I want to print some message saying invalid. Sir, why I have taken this? Up to this it is clear for you. Suppose if my content is a b c d e f g h I, so what are the vowels in these? Sir, a, e, I, three are there. Suppose if input is 2, my output is a, e. If input is 1, my output is A. If my input is 3, AEI. Suppose if my input is 4, then we have to print invalid. That's why I copied this into new string and I am checking array if your length, whatever character, whatever integer you have given, if it is less than length of new string, then I will print. Otherwise I want to print. Sir, here you can able to see if n is equal to 2, I am not printing all the 3 characters, I am printing only 2 characters. That's why for I is equal to 0, I less than n I am taking. Very, very important. So now let me run the code. Is it working or not? Perfect, sir. Submit the code. Yes. So hope all the test cases are passed. So this is nothing but a C language implementation. Sir, please confirm, is this C language implementation is clear for you people? Yes, if it is a clear, I will go with Java implementation. Please confirm, my dear friends. Fine, sir. So let me go for Java implementation. I want to implement this program in Java. Let us see how you can able to implement in Java. Okay, let us see how you can able to implement in Java. Sir, I am taking Java programming. Now, sir, scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of sir system dot in, then string s is equal to obj dot next line. From this we have to fetch the string and I am going to push it into another string. That's why I am taking, sir, string buffer sb is equal to, so new string buffer, so to accommodate the data, beyond that nothing. Okay, now we have to read n also, right? So obj dot next int I am taking. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than, okay, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Sir, we have to check every character. Character ch is equal to s dot char at of I. Suppose if character is equal to a or e, okay, or I, so o u, if any one of this character got, then sb dot append of ch. So then we have to take sb dot append of ch. That's all I am going to append. Finish. Now if the value which you have given is less than sb dot length, so then you have to print. So for I is equal to, again I is not declared, okay, we will declare. So I less than n I plus plus system dot out dot print of sb dot char at of I am taking. Else if it is not the case, then we have to print invalid. System dot out dot println, I am taking the message called invalid. But anyway, if you want to work with this, we have to declare integer variable I. Let me run the code. Perfect. And submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. Lokesh, have you joined into the session? Yes. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Sir, let me go with Python implementation. Let me go with Python implementation. Okay. Sir, in Python, I want to use a regular expressions concept. Using that, I want to solve. Import RA I am taking. S is equal to I am taking input. So N is equal to int of input I am taking. Okay, sir, my new string is equal to re.sub. Substitute function is there. So what is the use of this substitute function? Sir, this substitute function, whatever regular expression you are taking, that will be replaced with some space or some extra character. So sir, not of A, E, I, O, U. That means if vowels are not there, that means if consonants are there, I want to fill with empty. So that what will happen? All the consonants will be removed from this string or not? Yes, of course. All the consonants will be removed from this string. Now I am taking yes. Sir, directly I am writing the program. I want to print invalid. When you have to print invalid, if the value of n is greater than length of ns. Sir, otherwise in the NS, that is new string, starting from 0th location to n characters, we have to print. That's all. Okay. Already somewhere we have seen this sub function, substitute. So you can able to see all the data got executed. This is nothing but how you can implement this program. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Fine. Next. Sir, what is the next application that we have here is, sir, is the string is in order or not? So is the string is in order or not? So create a function that takes a string and returns true or false. So depending on whether the characters are in order or not. Sir, they have given a string. In that string, all the characters are in order or not, that we have to check. Okay, so all the characters are in order or not, we have to check. Sir, 1 minute. Yes. So suppose if you take s is equal to, sir, first string, if I am taking a b c d, the answer what we have to get is nothing but a true. The answer what we have to get is nothing but a true, because sir, the data is arranged in order or not? Yes. Sir, now if I am taking A, B, sir, DC, is the data is arranged in order? No, we have to get a false. Sir, how to check? Suppose if you take A, B, C, D, sort each and every character. Sir, we are getting A, B, C, D. So consider this one as a first string. Consider this one as a second string. Compare these two strings. Is these two are same? Yes means print true. In the second case, S1 is equal to, I am taking ABDC. sort the data. So what answer we will get? A, B, C, D. Sir, is the first string and second string are same? No. Sir, hence false. That's all. So we have to copy the original string into some temporary string, and then you have to do sorting operation. Sir, based on that, you have to print. I think the terminology what I am trying to explain is clear for you people, right? Please confirm, friends. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So let me implement this program in C language. I am going for C language implementation. So how you can implement in C language? Yes. So first we have to read the string character S1 of 100 characters, S2 of 100 characters I am taking. Initially S2 is empty. Okay. So some integer variables are required, I and then j. Sir, first we have to read percentage s comma s1 I am taking. Okay. So for I is equal to 0, s1 of I plus plus. For j is equal to I plus 1, s1 of j plus plus. But before that, we have to copy strcpy of, I want to copy the content of s1 to s2, so that my s1 backup copy is available. Now I'm going to do sorting on s1. So if s1 of I is greater than of s1 of j, then temporary character is required. Copy s1 of I into that temporary, and s1 of I is equal to s1 of j I am taking, and then I am going to copy s1 of j is equal to ch. Like this I am doing. Excellent. Now, so what is my next requirement? We have to compare the original string and this modified string. So strcmp of s1 comma s2 is equal to 0 means I want to print I want to print true, else I want to print false. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is there. So let me run the code. Is it working? Perfectly working. And submit the code for final approval. All the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can go with C language implementation. So let me go with Java implementation. Okay, how you can able to solve this problem in Java. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. Okay, sir, string Sufyan, null character, because we are not reading the data from the user for s2. See, for s1 if you are reading the data, it holds some information, but if you are reading the data from s2, what will happen? It is not having any content initially. So if it is the case, there may be a chance of garbage values. Like in Java and Python, it won't be assigned with null values. By default, it won't contain any empty values. That's why manually we have to do that. Clear? Yes. Now, sir, I accepted string s1. Okay, string s1 is equal to obj dot next line. I am reading the string. Next, sir, I want to convert this string into a character array. S1 dot to char array function is there. Using that, I am converting into character array. Sir, why you have converted into character array? Because in arrays class, there is one sort method is there. Using that, you can able to sort all the characters. Then string s2 is equal to obj dot, we have to take, sorry, string s2 is equal to new string of, again I am reconverting that character into string after sorting. Now directly you can check system dot out dot println of s1 dot equals of s2. If s1 and s2 both are equal, then we are going to get return yes. Otherwise, it is going to return false. So this is nothing but what we have. Sir, same thing I want to implement in Python. Same thing I want to implement in Python. Let us see how you can able to implement in Python, sir. So how to do that operation? Very simple. I am choosing Python programming language. S1 is equal to, okay, S1 is equal to input. Then I am going to convert that input into string, sorry, list. So that, so that you can apply sort method, then I am going to reconstruct the string, sir, dot join of L. So your string is divided into individual characters. From that individual characters, we performed sorting operation. From that sorting, we got ordered data. From that, I constructed a string. Now we have to print the result. Sir, my result is nothing but true when if s1 is double equal to s2. Else we have to print false. So beyond that, nothing is there. Let me run the code. Yes, working properly, and submit the code. I hope it is very clear for you. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. So very good, sir. This is nothing but what we have. Okay. Sir, next program, I think already we discussed this program, LBP number 85. Okay, do you remembered in the last videos, one special class we have taken for this program? Okay, so I will update the solution if it is available. 1 minute, I think that solution is available in your drive itself, it is available, I think so. LBP number 6, right? This patch, LBP number 6, correct. Uh, LBP number 7. Yes. So this is nothing but solution. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow, sir. Even the programs not yet added, I think so. I will add all the programs. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Okay. Yeah. I will update the running notes within few minutes, so you can able to download. Okay. Sir, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Sir, one question I have. Uh, Suppose if a like some string password is there, it's combination of special character and numbers and digits. So if I want to know how many combination will be there, can we take the factorial of that uh, length of that one?
No,
Or
I'm not getting your question. You 1 minute. I will ease it your problem. Like I want to create a password, so we have to frame some rules. Is it
no, no,
correct?
no, rules, no, I don't. There is already rule. Some password is combination of letters, digits, and three special character. So
Okay,
total
okay.
9 letter is there. So can we take how many I want to find out with that
Hmm.
those letters how many combination will come.
Yeah, that's what factorial, NPR, NCR, some terminologies are there, right? In the
Yeah,
probabilities. So you can apply that functions, I think so.
with factorial we can find.
Yeah, factorial compulsory required, but NPR, NCR, some mathematical related formulas are there. So
Okay,
based on that, we can find. So if you want to generate all the things, already some permutations program we have seen, you can
okay.
take that. But we have to, yeah, you can take, no problem. That same program. So already we have covered that program in one
Yeah,
weekend.
one program is there, I have remembered.
Yeah, same program, just you have to supply your input. Like you are telling 9-letter word, right?
Yeah, suppose password is ABC012
Mm.
and at the rate of that at the rate of that much only.
Yeah, see that character, suppose if you are giving, assume 3 letters word you have given, 3 characters word you have given, okay?
Yeah,
So with the help of that 3 characters, how many combinations you can frame, that it will return. Okay,
yeah,
suppose if you want to tell ABC 3-letter word I want, but in that 3 letters, first letter can be A to Z, second letter can be A to Z, third letter can be A to Z, means, sir, it is not possible to generate permutations on that. You have to read the data and you have to check whether it is satisfying the rule or not. Are you getting my point?
okay, means a to every letter combination we need to find.
Yes, yes. For example, see here, 1 minute. Suppose if I have a string, suppose if I have a password like A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many combinations you can able to frame for A? You can replace this A. You can replace this A with all the alphabets. 26 alphabets you can replace, right?
Yes, yes.
So it is not possible to frame, because again for B you can replace with 26. So
Yeah,
here itself 26 factorial plus 26 factorial combinations you are going to get. So
yeah,
which is not correct. But if you are giving ABC, with this how many combinations you can frame, means, so that the characters should be within the string. Then you
yes.
can frame ABC, so BCA,
BCA,
okay,
yeah. Mm.
ACB, like this we can frame.
Here we can apply a factorial.
Yes, there we can apply permutations, but you can't apply for this. But you can read the data, whether it is satisfying your requirements or not, you can check. Clear? That's why we can't generate the password. See, if you take ATM pin number,
Yeah,
compulsory it should contain 4 digits only. If you know
yeah,
the logic, then you can crack. But we don't know how many combinations you can take. For example, if my pin number is 1234, this one
yeah,
can be replaced with 0 to 9 any digits.
yeah.
Again 2 can be replaced with 0
Zero to
to
nine.
9 any digit. If it is
Yeah.
only one digit, then you can check with these possibilities, 1 2, so 3 4 5 6 and so on, like we can check possibilities. So 6
Yes.
7 8 9. But again for this one, you can replace 2 with either from 1 to 2, like that. Are you getting my
Yes,
concept?
yes, yes,
So
yes.
infinite number of things we are going to get. It is not possible for these cases.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.